Good morning, everyone. This is Hector again. Let's see what's in my room, in my plant room. I want to show you where do I keep my 200 plus different varieties of African violets. It's all in this little, well, not little, but standard 4 feet wide, 18 inches deep wire shelf, chrome shelving, and the shelves are now at 5 inches tall from each other, and each one isolated on their own little plastic cup with a lid. It's semi-enclosed because I do want the plants to grow. And this is where I have probably 100 plants now, and soon all my plants will be here as a backup to propagate. And every now and then I'll select 10 plants at any given time to bloom, photograph, and share, and etc. So I will have write-outs on Chatter magazine in a few months. Stay tuned. I look at my window mobile. I love this plant, especially to this setup to propagate leaves. And after the leaves are showing ears, then I transfer the ears to a different setup, which you will see later. What do we have on the other end? I wanted to show you what I started doing today, because I am having issues with wick watering. I think my wick is too thick, or maybe the plants don't do well under wick watering if the root system is not well adapted, well developed, which just means if the plant is not growing, not absorbing water, and the wick keeps pumping water in, then you will have a lot of center crown rust rot, they call it. You see a lot of condensation in the middle of your plant, and you see salt build up. So I was told to use a mat system, and because I have all these containers for wicks, what I have now is this is a piece of a t-shirt that I had that is 100% nylon polyester. I cut a piece and I just insert it through my regular wick reservoir. I fold it the best I can in order to prevent the little piece of shirt to fall down, and then I kind of crumble it so it will be just big enough. I know it sounds nerve-wracking, maybe just like that, big enough to be at the bottom of the plant, of the pot. There you go. So now I have a mat system. It's a true mat system, but it has a wick reservoir. So let's see how the water goes. You don't want the fabric or the t-shirt to be bigger than the pot. I would think it's not a good idea, but who knows. All right. Sorry about all my towels. Look at my Chanticleer. It really is doing what it's supposed to do, this hugging pattern. It's really oldie. You should all grow one of these. I'm having pH issues, so that's why my plants look pale yellow, green. This is Nessus Candy Pink, and I just removed one of my plants from my cup setup. It's a Perel Pasha. My Russian is just about to expire in blooming. Isn't this flower just amazing? And I have here Shea Trail, which just keeps blooming and blooming, and the blooms really last a long time. We should all get rid of all the African violets that which blooms don't last. I would say 2 weeks plus is what we all want. All right. Have a good violet week.